Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I am making a headboard or wall decor, if you prefer, out of foam from the Home Depot. First, I'll start off by covering my floor with this plastic tarp that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to be drawing my pattern on there and also putting my foam on there. I wanted my wall art to be 6 by 6 feet, so I measured that. And I also made sure I taped the plastic to the floor so it wouldn't move. Next, I drew a frame around the perimeter, and it's going to be 6 by 6, and the thickness of it is going to be 4 inches. This was like random and last minute, so I'm just winging it. So I'm making a curve around each corner, and it's not perfect, but I didn't intend for this project to be perfect. I wanted it to have its imperfections, which is why I am not really taking it too serious. After that corner was done, I did the other 3 corners the same way. And this is how it looked when it was done. Next, I'm using the circle table to draw a circle directly in the middle. By the way, I heard the Dolphins are playing today, and this is my granddad's sweater, so I'm definitely rooting for the Dolphins today, and rest in peace, Granddad. Next, I am taking my ruler, and I'm going to be drawing lines on each side, and it will be a total of 4. And like I said, I'm just winging this, and I'm just having fun with it. I'm not taking it too serious. And if you do decide to recreate this, you should just do it in your own way and make sure everything connects. Next, I am using these foam rings that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using those to create circles. After those circles were completed, I decided to carry on with the circles and add 3 more in between each circle. And I wanted to make sure that everything was connected in some sort of way, so I added another line in the middle of the 3 circles that I added. Now to the fun stuff. So I got this great stuff from Home Depot, and I got about 10 cans, to be honest, just in case. And I'm going to be drawing an outline with the foam. You just have to have a steady hand. It's actually not that hard. After I was done with the corner, I started to fill it in. And then I continue to do my outline of the circles, and I'm going to fill them in also. And I'm taking my foam and filling in the biggest circle in the middle. And honestly, I have no specific technique. I'm just going with the flow. And here I am filling in the last little bit. This part messed up last night while I was drying, so I had to redo it because I ran out of space and I kind of pushed it against the wall and it wasn't completely dry. So, it kind of like messed up. But the thing about foam is that you can just break it off and then start over again. So it's no biggie. After I let it dry, I took it outside and spray painted it gold, but you can spray paint it any choice you would like. And this is how it looked when the spray paint dried. And I wanted to show you all how easy it peeled from the plastic. I thought I was gonna have to burn it off or like melt the plastic off from the bottom, but it actually just peeled right off, and that was amazing because I was gonna dread doing that. After the foam finished drying, I flipped the piece over backwards and you can still see the lines from the marker, and that is pretty cool. Like, I think y'all gonna get tired of me because I have a bunch of ideas for this foam now. But yeah, I'm gonna save it for later though. Next, I am taking this Gorilla Glue and my hot glue gun, and I'm gonna be attaching this piece of wood to the back. There are several ways that you can hang this up. This is just the way I preferred so far. And I had my hooks that I'm gonna be using. And this is how it looked all together. It looks so cute. I love it. I couldn't go to sleep last night, so I decided to make this, and I have no regrets, okay? Also, those mirrors on each side came from Walmart, and they are just $7 a piece, I believe, and I just put them on both sides. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. I had so much fun making it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes. Stay blessed.